Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be making something that I desperately need. My husband and I both got the flu shot along with our daughter when we went in for her baby wellness appointment, and man, it's kicking us in the butt. So I thought that this would be the perfect time to show you guys and my husband how to make a vegetable noodle soup that I so enjoy eating when I'm sick. Just kidding. But so I've already prepped everything. I just want to show you guys what we need, and then I'll show you guys how to put it together. It's super easy, trust me. So we have 3 potatoes. They're medium-sized potatoes. I used what is it called? Yellow potatoes. Bag of what I think is like a 10-pound bag of yellow potatoes from Costco was $6. So here we have yellow potatoes. And then I have a medley of vegetables here. I have about 2 carrots that are sliced. I have 1 zucchini. And then I have about I think it was like 3 or 4 of the celery stems. Okay. I have 2 ears of corn. Oh, I don't know if you can see that. 2 ears of corn, which is my daughter's favorite part of the soup. And my husband's favorite part is the chayote squash right here. I also have 2 cups of elbow noodles, elbow pasta, half a block of Trader Joe's firm tofu, 1 medium-sized onion. I think I got the sweet onion for this one. And basically for this one, I'm just going to take it for what it is and plop it into the soup, and that's just gonna sweeten the soup, so I don't need any kind of sweetener with it. And then I have about 2 cups of the soy curls that I've already pre-prepped, which means that I've cooked them in vegetable broth, and it's good to go. I also have here a can of vegetable broth and a can of diced tomatoes and green chili. This is the brand that I typically like to use for pretty much anything because it's so well, versatile, I guess, but it's simple and easy to use. You can dice up your own tomatoes and make this a super fresh and wholesome soup, but you know, canned. I also sometimes, when I'm in a pinch, use canned corn instead of the whole corn. Pretty much the thing. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 little stars of star anise, right? And then I have 1 tablespoon of vegetable seasoning here. And then the baguette is just for when we eat it. Alright guys, let's get started. Alrighty guys, so we're gonna go ahead and start with frying potatoes. Frying the potatoes first helps it to kind of harden, crisp around the edges so it doesn't get too mushy when I make it into a soup. Right, so 3 tablespoons of olive oil, and then your potatoes. Okay, so usually when it starts to get kind of golden like this, I will add in the star anise. And at the same time, I will add in the soy curls. You start to see the soy curls browning a little bit. This is when I usually add in the vegetable seasoning. And this just gives the potatoes and the soy curls just a little bit more, you know, flavor to it. Alrighty, so now that everything's starting to brown, I'll go ahead and add in the carrot and cook that first. Okay guys, now that the carrots are a little bit softer, I'm going to go ahead and throw in the zucchini and the celery. There goes the zucchini. Boil a little bit, saute together. I go ahead and add in the diced tomatoes and green chili. Just before I put in the vegetable broth, I just put in the squash and give that a stir. And in goes the vegetable broth. Then I also put in 2 cups of water. Ooh. Then honestly, I'm gonna add more water. Give me 1 second. So it looks like I'm good to add in another 2 cups of water, so that's a total of 4 cups of water. And then at this point, I go ahead and I stir in the corn. Then I'm just gonna go ahead and let that cook for just a little bit. Once it brings itself to a boil, I'll add in the onion. So when I start to see it kind of boiling here, I go ahead and I throw in the onion and the tofu. And this, I'm gonna go ahead and let it sit and simmer for about 15 minutes. Just until this onion becomes translucent. Alright guys, at this point I think that the onion is just about done. If you notice that it is now translucent, pretty good. I'll go ahead and take that out. And I'm also going to be taking out the star anise. 1, 2, 3. I'm going to put 5 in there. Take out 5. 4. 5. Perfect. And then I'm gonna go ahead and add in the macaroni, or the elbow pasta. And mix that all up. You want to give it just another maybe like 5 minutes and it's ready to go. Alrighty guys, so that's it. Wasn't that easy? Well, I thought it was pretty easy. It kind of just cooks by itself, really. But yeah. My husband likes to eat soup with crackers. So here I have the Trader Joe's social snackers. And he also likes to eat it with a lime, so I put a lime wedge in there for him. And let's see if you can see it. There we go. That is the vegetable noodle soup. I hope you guys enjoyed. I hope you guys try it out, especially with the weather turning cooler. I don't know if I mentioned it before, but this is a vegetable soup. I just use very, very basic ingredients. Feel free to add anything extra that you want. It doesn't really change the taste too much. If anything, it adds flavor to it. For example, mushroom is really good with this. Broccoli sometimes, I think. Cauliflower, peas. Peas are good. Pretty much any vegetable, I think, if you have it in your fridge, you can just grab it, take it out, make a soup out of it. Super easy to eat, super easy to make. But yeah, if you guys do try it out, please tag me. I will link my Instagram below in the description. Yeah, so enjoy, guys, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye. Like it?
I miss the soup.
Yeah.